Hello guys. All right. Today we are going to draw this particular uh, object. We are going to draw. Sorry, this. Look at the drawing. We are going to draw this. In my last video, I have already talked about this drawing that we are going to do it in the next video. So this is the drawing we are going to deal with now. As I already said, this drawing has two circles, sorry, two centers, center A and B. All right. Now, if you look at the drawing very well, like I said, you always study drawings before you start, putting them. You start drawing them. You have to study it well. All right. So after careful study, you can see that center A has Center A has three circles sharing the same center. Center B has four circles sharing the same center B. So we are going to do that immediately. And the distance between the two centers is 30 units. So let's start by drawing a line of 30. So we have started already. So I'm going to draw a line and then type 30, that is the line of 30. I press enter and enter again to exit the command. Then I will pick a circle to draw a circle. The first circle will have a diameter of 182. So we'll type D 182, enter. I pick circle tool again with the same center. I'll now enter a diameter of 170. So I'll type D 170. Now I'll pick the same circle again, the same center, and this time around I will put a radius of 70. Alright, I'm done with that center. I said one center has three circles. So that center has three circles. The other center at B has four circles. Let's start with the small one with radius of 35. Radius of 35. Again with radius of 50. Again with radius of 56. Again with radius of 60. Okay, we are done with that. So what the next thing we are going to do is look at the drawing. You see that the distance from center, let's measure it so that you can see the distance from the center of this center A to this point. See this point, this green line. Let's say the distance is 9. So that means we can take 9 up and 9 down. Let's do that immediately. Okay, so we can offset here 9, enter, offset 9 up, 9 down, and extend. You can extend it to meet that. Extend this one also to meet that, and you can trim. Okay, let's trim it like this. You select the circle, then after selecting the circle, select the circle and to trim off, not that circle, select this particular circle and trim off this line here. Okay, and at the same time you can select this line to trim off the circle at that point, and you can have that. Okay, all right. So if you look at the drawing again, you will see this line also. Let's measure from center of this circle to the upper part of this line is 25. So we are going to offset 25 up, 25 down from the center. Offset 25. So we are going to have 25 up, 25 down, and we are going to extend it to this particular circle. You click that circle and you extend it to that circle. Okay, when you extend it to that circle, you select it again to trim off the circle. Okay, just trim from here. You trim, yeah, it's off, and then also trim off this part, is not there. And then you select this time around, you select the circle and trim off the line, this line and this line. See, you can see we are almost done. The next thing you are going to do is to trim off the meeting point of this line. So what you do is you select this circle and you trim here, and also select this one and this one, and you trim this off. Okay, so we have that. The next thing that is remaining right now is this small half rectangle that it is here. Let me just measure for you to see the distance between the two, the vertical distance. The vertical distance is 18, meaning is 9 up, 9 up, 9 below. So we can quickly do that by offsetting this 9 up here, 9 down here, and we can offset, extend it. Okay, that is not all. Let's check the distance from the center, horizontal distance. The horizontal distance from the center to this point is 10. Horizontal distance is 10. So we can place a line at this center, okay, and offset it 10. Offset it like this, 10, and this is the line we are going to extend. Let's delete this one. This one is no use, it's not useful anymore, and we're going to extend this line to this particular line. Oh, extend this line to this particular line. Extend, okay, to this line. Now I'm going to use fillets to just do the same to this one. No, I don't need fillets. Fillets with radius 0. Sorry, fillets are 0. Alright, so that is what I wanted. So now at that moment, I can look at the drawing. I can trim off anything outside this line. So let me just trim this. Okay, then I will select this circle to trim off this line, and I will select the line to trim off. Oh, sorry. I will select the line to trim off this circle, and I think we are almost done. Yeah, we are done. So what we have to do is you can see this particular drawing inside here. It has a fillet. It is not sharp as this one. It is not sharp as this one. So we are going to use fillet of, say, 5. Let's use 5 radius of 5. Let's see how it goes. Fillet are 5. Let's see. Okay, it goes well. So I can do multiple of that. All right. Okay, so like I said, we are done. What you have to do next is just to delete this line. It's not necessary. This line was just there to guide us to know the two centers, which we can use to start doing the drawing. So we can delete off this line, and this is what was required. We have been able to produce what was required. So this is it. I'm so sorry that I could not give out the dimensions before the drawing. In case you are following up, if I have given out this dimension, maybe you would have tried to see how you can do it by yourself. But even after this, you can see the dimensions now. I have set out the dimensions, the diameters and the radius, the radii of each of these circles. I have also set out the dimensions from center of each of these lines. So if you are practicing, you can just write it down as as I said it. You just write it down and you can practice on your own. So next we are going to do something else. Sorry, I couldn't prepare, but I could not prepare what we are going to do next. But surely on that day, I'm going to come up with, on the next practice class, I'm going to come up with a drawing, and we are going to see how drawing will be made. All right, so just keep practicing. It's quite a simple something. As you keep practicing, this is, if you really want to know how to use this AutoCAD very well, you have to practice so many different drawings, as you keep practicing, you are mastering the use of some of these tools. With time, nobody will tell you you have to do like this, you have to do like this. With the practice and the things you have put in your mind, you can start drawing by heart without somebody telling you, oh, this is what you have to do, this is what you have to do first, like that. So it's about practicing. So once you keep practicing this, you are going to understand how these tools are being used. So this is where we are going to stop today. Bye for now. Please just do me a favor by click that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Just that. Thank you so much. Bye.